Hi, I am Milvia Starlight. You may be wondering why I appear to you as an anime version of myself. Well, this little character is actually my inner child, the part of me who always knew I came here with a mission. Since I was a little girl, she carried a feeling, a knowing, that one day she would help awaken hearts around the world. And now she finally gets to come alive and have fun watching herself fulfill that mission. This is the beginning of the Stellarys movement, Rise as One, a movement of soul awakening, healing, and remembering who we truly are. Healing the hue and the man, the light and the human, so they can finally become one again. If you're here, it's because something inside you is ready. Ready to heal, ready to rise, ready to shine. So come with me. Let's walk this path together. Let's rise as one. Welcome to Stellarys Resonance.